Welcome to October. This is E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Fans turned out in their numbers for Agent Sasco's launch party for his latest album, Hope River.
This album represents for me where I am, personally, musically, spiritually, you could say as well. And it has a lot to do with me looking back at what my journey has been from the perspective of the young man on the cover of the album, a 10-year-old me.
The event was held at the Serengeti at Hope Zoo. Popcorn, Wayne Marshall, Idonia, Queen Ifrica, Governor and Dre Island were among the artists who came to show their support. Patrons were also treated to an exciting listen of the album, as well as performances from Idonia, Popcorn and Agent Sasco, among others.
For a family thing. Congratulations on the brilliant album. It's a good look for dancehall, a good look for reggae music. We have to support each other. Just look on the crowd.
A good vibes, man. Big album, Hope River.
Hope River consists of 14 tracks and is a follow-up to Sasco's previous album, The Theory of Reggaetivity. The album features collaborations from Wayne Marshall to Dre Island, Romain Virgo to Sanchin, Tony Rebel, Spragga Benz, Tosh Alexander and more. Now, Dalton Harris has made it past the audition rounds of the X Factor UK competition. The singer made the announcement on his social media account recently. Dalton now advances to the next round of the X Factor, the Sixture Challenge. The talented singer made rounds on social media after his audition video went viral almost 2 weeks ago. The singer delivered an emotional performance of Elton John's song, Sorry Seems to Be the Hardest Word. His performance garnered an astounding applause from judges and the audience. Dalton Harris gained stardom back in 2010, winning the Digicel Rising Stars competition. The singer has built his music career releasing singles such as Favorite Bad Habit and Pauper. The X Factor UK airs on ITV in the United Kingdom on Saturdays and Sundays. Speaking of Digicel Rising Stars, well, it came to an exciting end last night. The night saw St. Anne native Tasha Gay Solomon Tasha Masha being crowned Digicel Rising Stars champion during last night's final moment. Solomon walked away with $1.5 million, a smartphone, and a grant valued at $1.5 million from the Digicel Foundation. Odine Journey Ricketts finished as the runner-up. Tasha Gay, who entered the competition straight out of high school, hopes to pursue music full-time. The finals also featured guest performances from Cha-Ching Ching, Kevin Downswell, among others. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.